In front of me is REALME C73, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Select Add Contact and click on the one you wish to add. You can do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To change order of them, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Hold one, drag it, and when you find the perfect place, let go and hit Save. If you wish to remove any contact, use this X next to the one you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!